Removing grout. Removing old grout can be a messy and time-consuming job, but with a Dremel rotary tool, it's much quicker and easier. For this project, we'll be using a Dremel 300 series tool, the grout removal attachment, and a number 569 bit. You can also use the Dremel 400 series XPR and 200 series tools. After your bit is inserted, screw on the grout removal attachment and set your tool to speeds anywhere from 15,000 to 20,000 RPMs. The angle of the grout removal attachment will let the bit work at its peak performance. Using a pulling motion, work the bit through the old grout, being careful not to nick the tile. There are 2 guide points on the attachment that will help keep you between the tiles. To remove an even greater depth of grout, adjust the guide to a greater depth on your second pass. To remove grout from a corner, you'll need to also remove the grout removal attachment. Be sure not to dig too deep on your first pass, as this may damage the bit. Here are some additional thoughts on removing grout. Older homes may have metal tile spacers in the grout. Going slowly will help you avoid damaging the bit. On larger jobs, you may need to change bits as they wear. If removing grout because of mold, you need only go as deep as the mold has penetrated.